Deep vibe coding with AI has revolutionized development, but it introduces a critical challenge: context decay. In long projects, agents write code they eventually forget, waste tokens on blind directory scans, and repeat past errors. DAMS, the Defensive Agentic Memory System, solves this. Running completely local first inside a Docker dev container, DAMS compiles architectural decisions, safety contracts, and regression traps into a dynamically updated context steering file, giving your AI agent structural eyes on the codebase. Let's see it run from PRD to code. We initialize DAMS with the command DAMS init, choosing cbm.md as our context steering target. Because DAMS is containerized, all background services, local embeddings, and shims run in isolation, leaving your developer host system clean. Next, DAMS atomizes the PRD. Running DAMS import tasks parses our requirements into granular task cards. Each card contains exact specs, dependency links, and prompt templates. Here, we have parsed the requirements from our product specifications into a structured JSON format, saving the output locally as tasks.json in the project root. As you can see, 15 distinct development tasks have been successfully generated. Before writing code, we must locate the relevant codebase context, ensuring the project's steering file maintains a freshness score of 1. Clicking Generate Queries on our Kanban task card instantly triggers the DAMS query generation pipeline. We can easily adjust the number of generated queries to perfectly match the overall complexity of the task. Once processing is complete, the semantic queries populate the manual seed override area, and the active task control automatically updates to the current task. Now, we click Warm SQLite Cache to execute our queries through the DAMS 3-phase pipeline. Prior to clicking the button, notice that the SQLite cache, Graphify dependencies, and temporary research scratchpad areas are entirely empty. Once initiated, the system first runs a chunkhound semantic search, saving all relevant code blocks directly to the temporary research scratchpad. Second, DAMS extracts unique file paths from those search results and leverages the Graphify knowledge graph to resolve depth-to AST dependency call chains. Finally, it caches these files directly into our SQLite ledger, providing file access and eliminating vector database retrieval latency. Back on the Code Research tab, we click Copy Execution Prompt. This sets the active task priority, runs DAMS recompile, and copies the prompt to our clipboard. We paste the prompt to our AI coding harness. If the agent tries to run a raw, brute force grep scan, DAMS's containerized search shims intercept the call, block it, and redirect the agent to the SQLite cache, saving over 70% in token costs. On commit, DAMS runs DAMS check, verifying our safety contracts before the code ships. DAMS gives vibe coders total control and gives agents the defensive memory they need to build software reliably.